What's up, YouTube? Sorry that I'm on the home page, but I have to start every video on my home page. Mobile has some sort of problem, but this is Baseball Star with Wii Sports baseball sound effects. Whew, okay, here goes wait. I forgot to prepare the sound effects. There we go, I got the sound effects prepared. But I'm not having a sound on to this video, just so I can play the audio on here. Ooh, triple, no! We might as well go ahead and play a sound for the other team. Okay. It's hard because I have to watch the screen and restart videos at the same time. There you go, other team. I got single, double, and triple, and home run prepared. Shoot. Royce, you're up. That's single. Oh, we got double played. We got double played. No, another triple. Might as well play it for the other team. Hey, Brian, you only got one hit in that inning. I'm glad the sounds aren't unpreparing themselves. No, I hope this ain't copyright. Nah, it shouldn't be copyright. Oh shoot, come on. Why is everything streaking? Like everything's streaking on my screen. Hey, everything's streaking. What's wrong? Tablet. What's going on? Like everything's streaking. I don't know if you guys can see that. Shoot, you stupid. This tablet's loud. Not this one, but the other one. The one that's playing the sound effects right now.
Meow. What?
Oh, good. Yeah, streaking. There it goes. Like I said, I don't know if you guys can see it. There goes my tablet going off charge again. Like I said, not this one, the one that's playing the sound effects. I recently just beat up the charger with the tablet because I was raging like I normally do. Oh yeah, there we go. Good job. My cat, the temptation cat of the house is squat. There it goes, streaking. Right there. Why is it doing that? Why did I all of a sudden quit talking? I hardly ever, well, I have beat on it before, but not a lot. But is it just a screen disorder? Is it just because I'm recording or something? Because that's normal for mobiles to do that. That's straight. I don't like this tablet sometimes. It's a good tablet, filming and gameplay-wise. Well, gameplay-wise. But as far as glitches and viruses, no. It's terrible. Come on, team. I want to play some more sounds. I'll play all the sound effects at the end of the video for you guys. At about when it hits 13 and a half minutes. What's up, the bear? Really? I'm trying not to rage in this video. I think a triple is actually rarer than a home run in Wii Sports Baseball because a home run's common in Wii Sports Baseball. I'm gonna stink and throw my soundtrack tablet against the wall. Oh, shoot. Sorry. I'm so sorry about that. I'm so sorry. I didn't get to the video in time. Whoop. I didn't get to the soundtrack in time. Here's Rocco. Let's try and do a bunt with him. See if we can get a single. The Rocco. No. Actually, every soundtrack that I didn't get the chance to play in this video, I'll play. I have not played double yet. I've played single, triple, and home run, but I've not played double yet. Oh, there's a double. Here, I'll just go ahead and show you since the other team got a double. No, stupid. My soundtrack's tablet is not as done. Wow. Is that a double? I'm gonna have to replay it. That's a double. I'm just gonna make sure. Seems like whoa, another double. Just gotta make sure that that's a double. Guys, these sounds are 100% real. I'm not lying with these. Except for the time that I accidentally didn't get to the video in time and played and accidentally played part of the baseball match result sound. I'm not raging in this video. Because I want you to hear the sound effects. The single. Oh, it wasn't streaking there for a while. It's doing that again. Oh, that was a ball. Stop bunting it that way. Maybe that's the reason that you're getting out for. I'm replaying. I almost didn't get to the video in time again. Come on, Marvin. Ugh, Marvin! This video, like, every sound track was played in this video. So I might as well not play the rest. They got another triple, so... Okay, I'm gonna play the results. I'm gonna play the results. As soon as it goes there. Shoot, an advertisement. Here we go!